Yes, so you come in the Marmaris, you come for a holiday, beginning of the season, and you don't know what is open. Down the Stellar region, where is the Green Nature Resort, where is the Diamond, Green Nature Diamond, Pasha Beach Hotel, Ideal Premium, and Blue Base Hotel, Lalila Blue and stuff. It's not a lot of places open. I'm gonna bring you where is open so you can see it. Let me. We are on the main road, okay? When you walk straight down from that strip, there's a McDonald's over there. Migros is over there. Over there, yeah. And most of the hotels up that region, okay? This is the Stellar region. And we are here, right next to Blue Base Hotel, Lalila Blue. Here. And behind me, like where the hotels are, is not a lot of farm pub kind of places open. But here, there's a Sweet Corner restaurant and Piccadilly restaurant is open. And there is a Tipsy restaurant open. I'll get close to that. So, I am right in front of the Sweet Corner. I'm gonna go in front of it. What do? They have a football match as well. If you're looking for some place to watch football, they have all the football. Resort, where is the Diamond Green? There's a McDonald's over there. Migros is over there. Behind me, like where the hotels are, I'll get close to that for you, and you can see they're like kind of farm pubs. When you see the Lalila Blue Suites, it's in full match as well. If you're looking for some place to watch football, they have all the football here. Steak, chickens, and fish. What do you here? What do you have in the menu?
We have any kind of food here. We have pizza, chicken, pasta, Indian, Mexican, Turkish course, British course, vegan, and we have halal food if you are allergic to. And apart from that, we have a kids player.
That's. Leave your kids in a kids play area. They're gonna be safe there. They can enjoy the tables and stuff here. So do you show?
Darts, football, basketball.
Hey, look at this size there, guys. Rump steaks.
This is T-bone. This is
Rump steak. £11 and vegetarian £2 because they're proper steak, guys, not like legs and the other steaks, and Indian cousins as well. So seafood as well, dessert as well.
We have fire show, we have Tina Turner show, anything you cannot
Play business as well, guys. Do whatever you're looking for when you come in the holiday, you will find it in this corner. That's TripAdvisor #1 on Google. Have contact with them as well if you want, or I will drop their number just down below. You can. This is Sweet Corner. Guys, good service. This is the place you definitely need to come. And they have the course. There's other short service. They will bring you here anytime you want, and you need to let them know about the. Most of the people enjoy this one. So definitely try it when you come here. You're gonna definitely love it. The prices, but there's a gentleman here.
Hello everybody.
I'm gonna ask him, what do you do here? What do you have in the menu?
We have any kind of food here. We have pizza, chicken, pasta, Indian, Mexican, Turkish course, British course. Any person can come eat food here. And we have vegan, and we have halal food if you are allergic to anything. For example, gluten-free. We have anything as well. Just inform the member of staff, he will help you. And apart from that, we have a kids play area over there. Any kids can come play here.
Let's go together inside, my friend. Let's go together and have a look. There's a kids area as well, and they have a like shows and party night nearly every night. Look at this area. That's slick, guys. So what was here?
There's a kids play area over there.
There's a kids play area. So when you come with your kids, you can leave your kids in a kids play area. They're gonna be safe there. They can enjoy themselves while you're having your dinner.
There's a trampoline.
Trampoline and a couple of toys and stuff here. All right. And the tables and stuff here.
We have 7 big TV.
Look at this TV. 7 big TVs here. any sport activities, you can watch it. So do you show the boxing and stuff, everything?
Sure. Any boxing game, darts, football, basketball.
Dart, football, basketball, football, everything you can watch here. Definitely, you shouldn't miss this place, guys. Look at this. It's right on the corner, right next to the traffic lights. After you pass the Migros and McDonald's, you can come here on Sweet Corners. And this is
our steak size.
what the heck?
This
Look
is
at this
T-bone.
size there, guys.
This is the rump steak. And
Rump
we have fillet
steaks.
and sirloin as well. This is T-bone. This is
Rump steak. So if you want some good
these are
steak,
the prices
this
here
is
as
the
well.
place, okay?
We can
What,
cook however you like as well.
if you want a medium rare or well done or whichever you want, they're gonna cook it like a soups. $85 was about £3.50. Salads is 115, which is about £4. Start is about £3, £4 to about £6, some of them. Pasta dishes 24 to about £10, £11, and vegetarian dishes about £10, £11, £12. The traditional 450 lira was about £20, some of them. Chef special kebab, grilled meat is £10, £20. Pizza dishes about £10. Chicken dishes about £11, £12. Steaks about £20 because they're proper steak, guys, not like a tiny little steaks. They're proper steaks. How many grams your steak?
11 ounce for the fillets, wings and sirloins. T-bone is 25 ounce.
11 ounce for T-bone fillets and the other steaks, and the T-bone is 25 ounce. Guys, come on, you can't find somewhere like this. Definitely Mexican cousins as well here, and the traditional home dishes as well, casseroles as well, and Indian cousins as well. So seafood as well, dessert as well. Everything and anything you will be able to find it here. And what show do you do here? Do you have any shows?
We have every night karaoke, full entertainment, which is we have fire show, we have Tina Turner show, and then we have a 5 staff that they are keep dancing different group dances every night. And when you want to come here for the special occasion, we cater for any occasions, weddings, anniversary, birthday, anything. You can let us know and we can throw for you nice night so you won't forget it. We can put some balloons, fireworks, and we can sing for you with the mic. Happy birthday as well.
Wow. What else are you looking for? Seriously, you have everything here. There's a family business as well, guys. They do buy one, get one free as well here. They have a rugby league as well, Premier League as well, Champion League as well. Whatever you're looking for when you come in the holiday, you will find it in this corner. That's why it's called Sweet Corner. That Sweet Corner is gathering everything and anything, guys. This place, they catering for everything, and they are TripAdvisor #1 on Google. Is there #1 as well. And if you like to get picked up from your hotel, just message me. I will get in contact with them as well if you want, or I will drop their number just down below. You can call them. They have a shuttle service as well. #1 on TripAdvisor, #1 in Google. This is Sweet Corner. I think you should come to this restaurant for enjoying yourself with your friends, family, or with your loved ones. This is one place definitely in Stellar region shouldn't miss. Football, rugby, basketball, birthday, anything and everything, you can have it from here. Nice dishes, good price, good service. This is the place you definitely need to come. There's another short service they have. So if you need to get picked up, they will pick you up from your hotel, from your door, and they will bring you here anytime you want, and you need to let them know about the birthday. of the sweet corner.
Most of the people enjoy this one.
One of the famous food of the sweet corner is fajita. You should definitely try it when you come here. You're gonna definitely love it.